Hello everyone, my name is Blake Ali. I'm with the INDATA project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana. And today I'll show you a quick tutorial of how to access our online equipment lending library for assistive technology. We have over 2,000 items in our library that can be borrowed free of charge for 30 days. The only requirements are that you live in the state of Indiana and have a valid driver's license or state ID. You will also need an account with us, which I can show you how to set up. So to start, you'll go to Google or whatever other web browser you use, and you'll type in eastersealstech.com. All right, so now we have that up there. And that will take you to our main website. Since we are wanting to see or try a device, simply come down here to the See or Try Device button, click that. All right, this will give you a little bit of information about our device demonstration and loan library. But since we're interested in setting up an account and seeing our loan library, we're going to come down here to click here to access our online loan library. Now that's loaded up, and as you can see, alternatively, you can also put in indata.atforall.com, and that will take you to our lending library's main page. All right, now to set up an account, you'll come here to the left-hand side, and you'll click Login or Create Account. You'll come down here to Select to create an account. And then from there, you just put in your information. We'll go with John Doe for the name, and we will just use Easter Seals Crossroads address for this one here. Then you want to put in a phone number and then an email. This is probably already used, but go ahead and put this in here just to keep it same as the name. All right, and then here for the password, it's going to suggest a strong password and give one for you. But if you want to make your own, you can just click where it says strong password, and instead of use strong password, you come over here to other options and choose my own password. And then once you set that up, you will say if you are an individual with a disability, or maybe you're a family member or representative of education, employment, community health, technology, and so on. For now, we'll just pick individual with a disability. Let us know how you found out about our website. And then alternative email is just for a family member or potentially a representative or someone you are working with that you think it would be beneficial to have them on your account as a second, kind of as like a backup email. All right, and then here's our agreement terms. Flip through all that. And if you're ready to agree, just click I agree to these terms and then create account. All right, and so since I already have my own account, I'm just going to go in here and log in as myself. Log in there. And then once you do sign in, once you have your account and you're logged in, you can browse different categories based on the different types of disabilities. So we have different categories for computers and related, daily living, environmental adaptations, hearing, and so on. But let's say that you're someone with low vision. You come down to the vision category, click that, and all of our vision items will be listed right down here. You can also flip through up here to go to a different category if you want, but since we're on vision, we'll click that. And you'll just start getting all the devices that are in our vision department or category. They're going to be in alphabetical order, so they're going to start with the numbers and then they go to the A's. But let's say you are interested in a specific device. We're going to go with an OrCam for now. Just make it easy. Click OrCam. And you can see we have different OrCams that are here under the category. Let's say we're going to go for the OrCam 3. Click that and then simply click Add to Cart. Once you click Add to Cart, you see that it's put up here in your little shopping cart. Think of like Amazon or anything like that that you're familiar with. Then you can view that, see your one item, and if you wanted to move forward with that and try to to loan that or borrow that, click here on checkout. And ta-da, that's basically it. Next, our staff will be in contact with you and will find the best way to get that device to you, either by picking it up at our office or having the device mailed to you. And if you have any further questions, you can email us at tech@eastersealscrossroads.org or call us at 888-466-1314. Thank you and have a wonderful day.